Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you guys how I am currently losing, and I lost $36,000 in 1 year from my cleaning business. It's actually more like $300,000, and I'm going to show you guys how to calculate this for your business. What value, what amount of dollars are you losing right now in your cleaning business? And we're going to walk through it, talk through it together. I think this number is going to really surprise you. So bear with me and let's jump into it. So again, the calculation I came up with for my cleaning business, being super conservative, $36,000 a year. I think it's actually more like 300,000 to 500,000 a year, but again, I'm being super conservative. But let's get into it, guys. So let's look at some industry research really quick. Most small to medium business phone coverage is 25 to 35% of inbound calls go unanswered, which is actually quite a bit. And a lot of these calls, no one's leaving a voicemail. 85% don't even leave a voicemail. They go straight to your competitor. So that should make you a little bit agitated, and that should make you want to at least pay attention to solve this problem and plug this hole in your business, because literally all of us have this same hole in your business, and we don't even maybe know you have it, right? So I'm going to walk you through a formula here. Here's the math to take your average weekly call volume, and let's do some quick math really quick, right? So I got a little calculator here. Okay, so you've got your average weekly call volume. Let's say it's 40 calls, and you multiply that by 25%, so 0.25. Okay, and then that gives us 10 missed calls per week. Okay, probably about right. If you're out, maybe you have a much larger business, but that's probably on average. And then we're going to take that and multiply it by the 85% that don't call back, so times 0.85. Okay, so that means 8.5 lost leads. Okay, now multiply your conversion rate. Let's say 40% of those people normally you convert. 4 out of 10 people can become customers when you talk to them. So that's 3.4 bookings lost per week. Okay, so times 40%, 3.4 bookings lost per week. And then we're going to multiply by your average job value. I have 180 here. A lot of you are probably much higher than that. Our job value average is like 250. So again, I'm being very conservative on this math here, which gives us $612 per week that we're just floating right out the door, just floating right out the bottom of our bucket in our business, times 52 weeks a year, okay, is $31,824 per year just from the phone gap, just from nights and weekends, or during the day even when you're not able to answer the phone because you're out on a job, you're booking an estimate, you're talking to a customer, whatever it might be. You're the chief bottle washer in your business, and there's a chance that you're probably missing some calls, right? So and again, guys, I'm being super conservative on this because that is just the one-time clean cost. That is just if they came in and they got one clean, which we all know is not true. Most of your customers in the cleaning business are going to become recurring customers if you're doing things the right way, right? So probably, again, 90% of our customers are recurring. A very low percentage are one-time cleans or move-in, move-out cleans, right? Most of the people try it one time, they're overjoyed and wowed by the experience, and they want recurring anyways. Cleaning is the kind of thing you need consistently. So the value of your lifetime value of over the year of that customer is $3,000 to $5,000, right? So even just missing one call, you could be missing $3,000 to $5,000 from one call alone. Let alone, in that example, if you have 3.4 you're missing a week, 12 a month, or somewhere around there, you're missing tens of thousands of dollars a month just looking at it that way, right? So I'm being very conservative here, guys. And then if you think about it over the years, like we've done this for years, we've had this problem. This is embarrassing, but it's true. We haven't even noticed this happening inside our business for years. So the actual number accumulated over years is way, way worse. So I just want that to sink in a little bit. It's pretty crazy when you think about it. So, and we haven't even talked about reactivation. This is something you guys can do within your own database. If you have a bunch of leads that maybe they're old leads, maybe they got their house cleaned one time, they never signed up, whatever the issue might be. There's people sitting in your database right now who've gone quiet, right? Maybe 500 people, maybe 2,000 people. We just looked at our database recently. We've got 16,000 people sitting in our database. Okay, and if we were to reactivate those people, even at a 3% reactivation rate, that's 60 book jobs from people who already know, like, and trust you. So just imagine the potential there. So that's just, secret gold mine of revenue sitting in your business right there. that you can actually reactivate these people. Maybe not with the full-time person, but I'm going to show you how to do that. So that's the reactivation layer. And then the staffing cost angle. This is what you're going to be paying to try to solve this. So like a full-time receptionist, think about this: a full-time receptionist, $3,500 a month minimum, and she only covers a 9 to 5. Takes sick days, quits right after you train her. I mean, like, you guys know all the issues you have with clients sometimes. So it can get expensive. They're not reliable, and it's a game, like a wheel constantly that you have to be playing. We've got 5 or 6 full-time reps right now in my business that answer the phone all the time, and we're still missing calls. I was just looking at our call logs, and it was probably like 80 some calls that we missed in just the past 90 days. It's insane, guys. So just keep this in mind. There's a hole in your business. If you don't know it's there, I'm letting you know the hole is there. On Sunday, I'm going to be showing you guys the solution I built for my own $5 million cleaning business, and it costs less than most cleaning business owners spend on coffee for their team. So join me at the link below. Basically, this is a webinar I'm doing this coming Sunday. It's going to be a live webinar. If you go to that link, the founders link, it's going to bring you to this page. $36,000 a year phone gap, the AI system I built to fix it inside my $5 million cleaning business. So join us on this call. It's going to be amazing. Probably the most important thing is I'm going to show you a live demo of this call, handling calls that we would have otherwise missed, late at night at 2 a.m. on the weekend. And it's going to be booking appointments, booking sales for us, and following up and nurturing leads. So it's absolutely incredible. We live in the most incredible time, I think, in history to be running and growing a business in 2026. So guys, if you are interested in learning more about this, I highly recommend you guys jump on this webinar with me live, and let's do it together. Let's learn about how to plug this hole in your system and in your business, and keep a lot more revenue and profit in your business this year. And it's something that's it's right in front of you, right? So just reach out and grab it, guys. Hop on this webinar. I'm going to show you guys how to walk through this even further on the webinar, show you guys live demos of this system we're building inside of our cleaning business. And we have a really exciting opportunity for you guys who jump on early, kind of a founder's access opportunity that no one else is going to see. So if you're seeing this video now, there's a reason for it. Hop over to the pretty link here. I'll put it in the video as well, but profitcleaners.com/founders. We'll see you guys on the other side. Be great and keep it clean.